Welcome to Chef Mariam's website recipe. If you're looking for a delicious and flavorful dish, look no further than tandoori chicken. This classic Indian dish is beloved for its tender, juicy meat and rich, smoky flavor. To make tandoori chicken, start by marinating chicken pieces in a mixture of yogurt, spices, and lemon juice. The yogurt helps to tenderize the meat, while the spices, such as cumin, coriander, and turmeric, add depth and complexity to the flavor. The lemon juice helps to brighten the dish and balance out the richness of the yogurt. After marinating the chicken for several hours, it's time to cook it. Traditionally, tandoori chicken is cooked in a tandoor oven, which is a clay oven that gets extremely hot. If you don't have a tandoor oven at home, don't worry. You can still make delicious tandoori chicken in a regular oven or on the grill. To cook the chicken, preheat your oven or grill to a high temperature, around 450 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're using a grill, be sure to oil the grates so the chicken doesn't stick. Place the chicken pieces on the grill or in the oven, and cook for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the chicken is cooked through and slightly charred on the outside. Serve the tandoori chicken with naan bread, rice, and a side of raita, which is a cool yogurt-based sauce that complements the spiciness of the chicken. Garnish with fresh cilantro and lemon wedges for an extra burst of flavor. Tandoori chicken is a dish that's sure to impress your family and friends with its bold flavors and beautiful presentation. With Chef Mariam's recipe, you'll be able to make this classic Indian dish with confidence and ease. Enjoy! Introduction. Tandoori chicken is a classic Indian dish that is popular all around the world. It is known for its bold, smoky flavor and tender, juicy meat. The dish is named after the tandoor oven in which it is traditionally cooked. The oven is made of clay and is heated to very high temperatures, resulting in a slightly charred and smoky flavor. Tandoori chicken is made by marinating chicken pieces in a mixture of yogurt, spices, and lemon juice. The yogurt helps to tenderize the meat, while the spices add depth and complexity to the flavor. The dish is typically served with naan bread, rice, and a side of raita, which is a cool yogurt-based sauce that complements the spiciness of the chicken. Tandoori chicken is a dish that can be enjoyed by people of all ages and can be made in a variety of ways, including on the grill or in a regular oven. With its bold flavor and beautiful presentation, it's sure to impress anyone who tries it. Welcome to Chef Mariam's food blog. Today, we're going to dive into the world of tandoori chicken, a classic Indian dish that is known for its bold flavor and tender meat. In this post, I'll be sharing my recipe for tandoori chicken, complete with all the details you need to make it in your own kitchen. Ingredients: 2 pounds chicken pieces. I prefer bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. 1 cup plain yogurt. 2 tablespoons lemon juice. 1 tablespoon ginger paste. 1 tablespoon garlic paste. 2 teaspoons cumin powder. 2 teaspoons coriander powder. 2 teaspoons paprika. 1 teaspoon turmeric. 1 teaspoon salt. Half a teaspoon cayenne pepper, optional. Instructions. In a large mixing bowl, combine the yogurt, lemon juice, ginger paste, garlic paste, cumin powder, coriander powder, paprika, turmeric, salt, and cayenne pepper, if using. Mix well to combine. Add the chicken pieces to the bowl and use your hands to coat them evenly with the marinade. Cover the bowl with saran wrap and refrigerate for no less than 4 hours or short term. When you're ready to cook the chicken, preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Eliminate the chicken from the marinade and shake off any overabundance. Place the chicken pieces on the wire rack, making sure they are not touching each other. Bake the chicken for 20 to 25 minutes, or until it is cooked through and slightly charred on the outside. If you're using bone-in chicken, it may take a few extra minutes to cook. Serve the tandoori chicken with naan bread, rice, and a side of raita. Garnish with fresh cilantro and lemon wedges for an extra burst of flavor. Tips. If you don't have a wire rack, you can place the chicken directly on the aluminum foil-lined baking sheet. However, using a wire rack will help the chicken cook more evenly and prevent it from sticking to the foil. If you don't have a ginger paste and garlic paste, you can substitute fresh ginger and garlic. Simply grate or mince the ginger and garlic and add it to the marinade. If you want your tandoori chicken to have a deeper red color, you can add a few drops of red food coloring to the marinade. However, this is not necessary and the dish will still taste great without it. Tandoori chicken is a dish that is sure to impress your family and friends with its bold flavors and beautiful presentation. With this recipe from Chef Mariam, you'll be able to make it in your own kitchen with confidence and ease. Don't be intimidated by the long list of spices. Once you try this dish, you'll see that it's worth the effort. Chef Mariam's special information. Tandoori chicken is one of my personal favorite dishes to make and share with others. As an experienced chef, I've had the opportunity to experiment with different ingredients and techniques to perfect my recipe. One thing that sets my tandoori chicken apart from others is the quality of the ingredients I use. I always choose fresh, high-quality chicken and yogurt, and I make my own ginger and garlic paste to ensure the freshest and most authentic flavors. Another special touch I add to my tandoori chicken is the use of a charcoal grill. While many people cook tandoori chicken in the oven, I find that cooking it on a charcoal grill imparts a smoky flavor that perfectly complements the other spices in the marinade. When cooking tandoori chicken, it's important to pay attention to the marinating time. I recommend marinating the chicken for at least 4 hours, but overnight is even better. This allows the yogurt and spices to penetrate the meat and tenderize it, resulting in a more flavorful and juicy finished product. Finally, I always serve my tandoori chicken with a side of raita, which is a cool and refreshing yogurt-based sauce that helps balance out the spiciness of the chicken. I also like to garnish the dish with fresh cilantro and lemon wedges for an extra burst of flavor. Overall, my tandoori chicken recipe is a labor of love that I've perfected over time. I hope you'll give it a try in your own kitchen and enjoy the bold flavors and tender meat that this dish is known for.